Rise and shine, Critter Crew!
Come on, 5 more minutes.
Aw, I was dreaming I hopped to the moon.
There's no time for dreaming now. Breakfast is ready.
What a critterific day.
Let's get kickin', go out and play.
The sun is shining 'cause the moon is gone.
And yummy strawberries are growing on the lawn.
I'm gonna hop into the sky, and I can paint you as you try. I'll cheer you on, I believe in you.
This day has got so much to do.
My strawberries still haven't grown.
I don't hop as high alone. I can't paint anything if you just moan.
I tripped and fell and my legs are sore.
I remembered that I'm bored.
There's nothing here I can give my support.
We can't deal with this day anymore.
Guys, this isn't so bad, just catnip?
Just take a rest, you've had such a long day and you deserve it.
It's 6 p.m.
You're not a mess, you're simply tired from play, I'll be your servant. Just take a breath and you'll begin to dream the dreams I craft for you. Where everything may not be as it seems, but you won't feel so blue.
Huh? Why am I so sleepy?
Rise and shine, Critter Crew.
Hang on, let me write down my dream so I remember it.
I remember mine. I hopped to the moon again.
And I was eating the tastiest cake.
But it's a critterific day.
I'm still tired, go away.
The sun's too bright, someone fix the sky.
I missed the cake, I'm gonna cry.
Wonder if I could hop to Mars, ride a comet and paint the stars. I could care so hard that I shoot a beam.
That's impossible!
It wasn't in our dreams. I could eat junk food guilt-free.
I could hop to Mercury. My canvas was the whole dark galaxy.
That's great, but it's not real.
I look the coolest all the time.
I used my smarts to solve a crime.
I stared with care until the world was fine.
We should live like this all of the time.
But the sun's still out.
Catnap!
Come take a rest, you've had such a long day and you deserve it.
It's noon.
You're at your best when you're dreaming away, I'll be your servant. Just take a breath and you'll begin to dream the dreams I craft for you. Where everything is better than it seems, so you won't feel so blue.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You! Now listen here, you stupid stray. The smiling critters used to play till you breathed all this gas in their airways.
I simply aim to do my part. Your days are full of broken hearts, but with my aid an hour of joy can start. Things won't get better till you depart. So take a rest, you've made a grave mistake and you deserve it.
No.
You'll be obsessed with fantasies I make and be my servant.
Never.
Just take a breath and you'll begin to dream the dreams I craft for you. Where everything is hopeless as it seems until your face turns blue.
No, your powers are useless against me!
What?
You might rule the night catnap, but every dog has its day!
No! The weaponized concept of day! My only weakness!
Wake up, everyone! I saved you from the evil catnap's evil catnaps!
Whoa, that was even cooler than me.
I'll remember this forever.
Let's sing again, everybody.
What a critterific day. Let's get kicking, go out and play.
What a critterific day.